Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In today's video, we will discuss about a new anatomy topic. Today's topic is about cardiovascular system. We can have a brief discussion about cardiovascular system in this video. The cardiovascular system is sometimes called the blood vascular or simply the circulatory system. It consists of the heart, which is a muscular pumping device, and a closed system of vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. The heart is a muscular pump that provides the force necessary to circulate the blood to all the tissues in the body. Its function is vital because to survive, the tissues need a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients, and metabolic waste products have to be removed. The normal adult heart pumps about 5 liters of blood every minute throughout the life. If it loses its pumping effectiveness for even a few minutes, the individual's life will be in danger. 3 layers of tissue form the heart wall. The outer layer of the heart wall is the epicardium, the middle layer is the myocardium, and the inner layer is the endocardium. The internal cavity of the heart is divided into 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The 2 atria are thin-walled chambers that receives blood from the veins. The 2 ventricles are thick-walled chambers that forcefully pump blood out of the heart. Blood vessels are tubes which carry blood. Veins are blood vessels which carry blood from the body back to the heart. Arteries are blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to the body. The aorta is the largest artery in our body. The left ventricle pumps blood into the aorta, which then carries it to the rest of the body through small arteries. Cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that occurs in one complete beat of the heart. The adult heart beats around 70 to 80 times a minute at rest. When you listen to your heart with a stethoscope, you can hear your heartbeat. The heart and circulatory system makes up your cardiovascular system. Your heart works as a pump that pushes blood to the organs, tissues, and the cells of your body. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removes the carbon dioxide and waste products made by those cells. The blood is carried from your heart to the rest of your body through complex network of arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. Blood is returned to your heart through venules and veins. The heart's job is to pump blood around the body. The heart is located in between the 2 lungs. It lies left to the middle of the chest. The heart is a muscle about the size of a fist and is roughly cone-shaped. It is about 12 cm long, 9 cm across the broadest point, and about 6 cm thick. The pericardium is a fibrous covering which wraps around the whole heart. It holds the heart in place but allows it to move as it beats. The wall of the heart itself is made up of a special type of muscle called cardiac muscle. Blood is the fluid of life transporting oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues and the carbon dioxide from the body tissues to the lungs. Blood is the fluid of growth, transporting nourishment from digestion and hormones from glands throughout the body. Blood is the fluid of health, transporting disease-fighting substances to the tissues and waste to the kidneys. We should follow a healthy lifestyle in order to maintain our heart health. Common symptoms of heart diseases are shortness of breath, heart palpitations, faster heartbeat, weakness or dizziness, nausea or sweating. Hope you all got some information from this video. If you feel it useful, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.